Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have Play Store credit. Start by confirming the exact balance and that your carrier accepts Google Play balance for recharges. Open the Play Store, tap your profile, and view payment methods. Once done, switch to the Google Pay or carrier app integrated with Play balance. Make sure your phone number is verified and the apps are up to date. This avoids interruptions. Now prepare the recharge amount and keep your PIN or screen unlock ready, because you'll authorize payment immediately. With prerequisites set, open the carrier app or Google Pay and choose Mobile Recharge. Enter the recipient phone number and the exact amount you want, then choose Payment Method and pick Play Store Balance. You'll see the precise dollar deduction and any taxes or fees. Review these, because balances can't be partially refunded. When ready, authorize using your chosen security method. After confirmation, note the transaction ID or screenshot the receipt. This completes the charge from your finish by confirming the recharge. Look for SMS, in-app notification, or updated mobile balance. Once done, make sure your Play Store balance decreased accordingly. If the transaction fails, first confirm you selected Play balance, recheck internet connectivity, and verify the recipient number. Then retry. If money was deducted but recharge didn't arrive, save the transaction ID and immediately contact your carrier and Google Pay. Provide the ID, time, and screenshots for a quick resolution, because that speeds refunds or reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.